How I made this video without talking, filming, or editing. This video, I didn't talk, I didn't film, I didn't edit. I'm Natasha the Nerdsplainer, your friendly tech coach here at Teaching How to Tech. And I'm here to show you how I created this video without doing any of the usual YouTube stuff. Step 1. I used ChatGPT to write this script. Just typed my ideas and voila! It turned my ideas into clear, organized lines that anyone can understand. Step 2. I pasted that script into Steve.AI. It added scenes and even me. With just a few clicks, I had an entire video made by AI. Super cool, right? Step 3. I designed the thumbnail in Canva Pro. Easy peasy. With Canva, I can create eye-catching visuals without breaking a sweat. Step 4. I sometimes use CapCut for minor tweaks, like cropping or adding music. No fancy cameras, no fancy microphones, just the tools I love. Just ideas, tools, and bam, video! It's that simple. If you want to make YouTube content without being on camera, you're in the right spot. Subscribe and follow along. I'll keep sharing how I do this. No filters, no fluff.